They're hairy, they're huge, and for many, they're the stuff of nightmares. But tarantulas are more than just a Halloween horror. They are complex, effective predators with fascinating lives hidden beneath their terrifying appearance. Join us as we uncover the world of tarantulas, their surprising behaviors, and what makes them both feared and admired. Tarantulas belong to the family Theraphosidae, with over 1,000 species scattered around the world, from the deserts of the Americas to the tropical rainforests of Asia. These spiders are known for their size and unique appearance, typically covered in thick sensory hair and featuring a body structure that enables them to be stealthy hunters. Contrary to popular belief, tarantulas are not deadly to humans, though they do pack an intimidating look and a painful bite. They're actually among the most docile of spiders, and they rely on camouflage and stillness to avoid attracting larger predators. To understand what makes tarantulas such effective hunters, let's look at their anatomy. Tarantulas have two main body segments: the cephalothorax, where their brain, eyes, and legs attach, and the abdomen, which contains vital organs. They have 8 legs equipped with sensory hairs that detect vibrations, allowing them to sense movements around them even in complete darkness. One of their most terrifying features is their fangs. Located beneath their eyes, these sharp, venomous fangs inject a paralyzing venom into their prey. Tarantulas also possess pedipalps, appendages near their fangs, which help them handle their prey. Tarantulas are primarily nocturnal, emerging from their burrows under the cover of darkness to hunt. Despite their size, they're ambush predators. They prefer to stay still and wait until prey is close enough to strike. Their main diet consists of insects like crickets, beetles, and even other spiders. But some larger tarantulas are capable of taking down small lizards, birds, and rodents. When a tarantula strikes, it quickly sinks its fangs into the prey, injecting venom. This venom immobilizes the victim and starts to digest its insides. Tarantulas don't chew. They rely on a liquid diet, using their venom to liquefy the prey, which they then suck up with their mouth parts. Tarantulas may look scary, but they're often the ones under threat in the wild. They've developed several fascinating defenses to ward off predators. One of their most unique strategies is their urticating hairs, tiny barbed hairs located on their abdomen. When threatened, New World tarantulas will kick these hairs off their bodies, which can irritate the skin, eyes, and respiratory systems of potential predators. If cornered, a tarantula will take a defensive stance, raising its front legs and baring its fangs. This posture is a final warning before the spider bites. However, they'll only bite as a last resort since producing venom takes a lot of energy. Tarantulas have a fascinating life cycle. Females can live anywhere from 10 to 30 years, while males typically live just a few years. Tarantulas grow by molting, a process in which they shed their exoskeleton to make way for a larger one. Molting is a vulnerable time for them, as they become soft and defenseless for hours, sometimes even days. After reaching maturity, males go on the search for a mate. The courtship ritual involves the male tapping a message on the ground with his legs. If the female is receptive, mating occurs, and she may later lay hundreds of eggs, which she carefully guards until they hatch. Despite popular belief, tarantula venom is generally harmless to humans. Most tarantula venom causes mild symptoms, like a bee sting. The real risk comes from an allergic reaction, but serious reactions are extremely rare. However, tarantula bites are still painful due to their large fangs, so they're best left alone in the wild. While their venom isn't deadly to humans, it's devastating for their prey, paralyzing it almost instantly. Scientists are studying tarantula venom for medical purposes, as it contains proteins that could potentially be used to treat conditions like chronic pain and muscle spasms. Tarantulas have long been used in pop culture as symbols of terror and danger. Movies and media have capitalized on their appearance, often portraying them as aggressive killers. However, this image couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, tarantulas are shy and reclusive. They don't want to bite humans and would much rather avoid us altogether. This common misconception has unfortunately led to fear and mistreatment of these creatures. But by understanding their true nature, we can learn to appreciate them for the unique creatures they are. Tarantulas are becoming increasingly popular as exotic pets. They're low maintenance, don't require much space, and have fascinating behaviors. However, keeping a tarantula requires special care. It's crucial to research the specific needs of each species, as they have different requirements for humidity, temperature, and diet. While some people do handle their pet tarantulas, it's essential to remember that handling is stressful for these spiders, and they may react defensively if they feel threatened. Tarantulas play a vital role in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations. By preying on insects and other small animals, they help keep ecosystems balanced. Despite being feared by many, tarantulas are a critical part of the natural world and deserve respect for their role in maintaining biodiversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of tarantulas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed learning about these fascinating arachnids. And remember, nature is full of surprises, even in the places we fear most.